Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is replacing this wire loom on the Miata harness that runs under the car where no one ever sees, and it's mounted up on this power plant frame. And the one that's currently on the car is all dry rotted and just old, brittle, and covered in oil, and basically not even covering the Miata harness. So what we're going to do today is replace that and get that all taken care of. So what I have before you is this wire loom. It's 1/2 inch, and I've got these little retaining clips or routing clips. And how this works is they're gonna pop and slide into these little here, like so, and then you just put this here and snap that into place. And you just repeat how many ever times the holes are, and then you have a brand new harness. All right, most of these, I thought I was gonna have to cut it off, but see some of this right here, like this tape, that's gotta go. Should go over this entire thing and wipe it off. All right, now what we're gonna do is take the wire loom and we're just gonna feed it over this wire harness, and we're gonna blend them together with this friction tape here. We're just gonna overlap them. So there's a split in this. We're just gonna feed it over the wire here. And you can see, I'll show you on this side. All I'm doing is just making sure it feeds properly. I'm just covering all the way up until the existing point, which is right here. And then we're gonna cut that off. Okay. And now we're just gonna fuse these two together with some friction tape. And that's all the new wire loom. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is installing all these little clips into these holes. And we're going to do that by just inserting them, and make sure that the orientation of them is up, so when you're trying to remove them, if you ever have to remove this power plant frame again, you can access these with a screwdriver and easily remove them instead of having to, like, you'll see what I mean. The orientation of these clips matter because when you're installing this or uninstalling this, you want to have access to the bottom side of this clip, as it will be easier to put a screwdriver in here and pop that clip. If it's on the top side, you're gonna have to remove the entire plug and remove these routing clips. We're just gonna follow these all the way around and just clip them all up. All right, this is after all the routing clips are installed. It leaves a nice clean finish on the wire harness. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.